Hello, children. Today we are going to start a new chapter. The name of this chapter is Riddles. So it's in page number 35. Please open page number 35 and take a pencil in your hand. We'll be learning, we'll be seeing, we have some clues over here and we'll be learning about those, what the clues means, and the options are given over here. We have to choose accordingly. Okay. Number one, there is a question. See, what comes down but never goes up? So there is something which always comes down, it never goes up. We have to choose from these options given over here. So what I have done, I have chosen for you all, I have helped you all out. But what you have to do is, you have to remember what the answer is. Okay. So the answer will be rain. Rain, you all know that it comes down, it never goes up, right? So the correct option is rain. So write over here, rain. Then the second one is, what can you catch but not throw? So you can catch something but you cannot throw that. There is something in it, in these options. So what is it? It's a cold. A cough and cold. When you have, we say that I have caught a cold, you have catch cold. So what it is said is, you catch cold, you cannot throw it, right? So a cold is always what you can catch. What Third one is, what has one eye but cannot see? It has one eye but it cannot see. What it is, it's a needle. If you have not seen a needle, ask your mother, they must have it. If they don't have, you can find it in any stationery shop. A needle has a small eye in it. The small hole on the needle where the thread is put into, that small hole is called an eye. So the needle has an eye, but that eye is actually said like that. But what in our eyes, what we can see, it is not possible through that needle. So in that needle you cannot see anything, but it has an eye. That small hole is called an eye. So remember this riddle. If you can ask anyone as well. If they know very well, fine. Otherwise you can tell them the answer as well. Fourth one is, what goes through towns and over hills but never moves? There is something which goes through towns and over hills but it does not move. What is it? It is a road. A road goes through towns and hills, but that road does not move, right? That road is constructed, that cannot move. Fifth one, what has a neck but no head? What is it? It has a neck but no head. It is actually a bottle. You know that bottle has a neck, a small neck is over there. We tell that portion is neck, but it has no head in it. That is the top portion, we tell it as a neck, but it does not have any head. Sixth one is, the more it dries, the wetter it becomes. What is it? The more it dries, the wetter it becomes. It's a towel. A towel, what it becomes is, we use a towel for drying ourselves. So where after bathing, you take a towel. What it does, it dries you, but it becomes wet. It takes all the water from your body and soaks in it. So the more it dries, the wetter it becomes. It is a towel. Seventh one, if you can give me water, I will die. What am I? It is a fire. You know, when there is fire, what we do is, we put water in it. So if you can give me water, the fire says that if you give it water, it will die. That means the fire will not be over there. Correct option is fire. All the options I have chosen from here only. You all can do it on your own also. Ones who cannot do can take my help. Eighth one, what has hands but cannot clap? It is a clock. Clock, you know, it has a short hand and a long hand. So clock has two hands. So similarly, it cannot clap, but we have hands which we can clap, but clock has hands, it cannot clap. Ninth one, what's full of holes but still holds water? Can you all guess this one? What's full of holes but still holds water? It's a sponge. A sponge is something, it is filled full of holes. It has lots of holes in it, but still it holds water. Why? Because it soaks all the water in it. So this chapter is very interesting. All the 9 riddles are good, are very interesting, and you can ask anybody. Now on, you know all the answers, so you can ask anybody these riddles. If they know, very well. If they don't know, you can share the answer with them, right? So it's very interesting chapter. Please write the correct answers over here, correct spelling as well. The options are given in your book only, so the spelling must be correct. Please complete this exercise and send it to me. Similar questions will be coming in the exam as well. So okay, thank you. If you need any help, please let me know once. Thank you.